Man, what's good, YouTube, man? What y'all been up to, man? Y'all already know I'm back again with another banger, man. Today, we finna try and do something to my car a little bit, you know what I'm saying? It's so cold out here, man. I can't even lie. Bruh. So tired looking at this ugly thing, man. Finna try and replace this thing. Car already messed up, man. Shoot, hold on, man. Hold on. I get the thing up out of here. I don't know. Y'all, it won't come. Oh, shoot. There we go. There we go. Been trying to do this with one hand, y'all. Oh, come on up out of there. There we go. There she go. Look at that thing, y'all. That ugly thing about it. What we replacing it with, you say? Alright, y'all. Get in the car, see if that thing work. Might look ugly, we might have to swap that thing back out, I ain't gonna lie. My car been going through it lately, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all what's going on with it anyway. We ain't worry about none of that right now. We just finna fix it right now. Hey, it working, y'all. Don't that look way better, man? Y'all think so? We gonna see when I pop it on up in there. Take that plastic out there. Take that plastic out there, yeah. I mean, what y'all think, bro? It don't look right to me, bro. I don't know, I might have to change it back out. Turn the thing off will kill my back. Whole game. Put the lights down up in there, y'all can see. Put the thing off. It ain't snug though, y'all. Y'all, I'm not even finna deal with that. I just end up putting the other one back up in there. Doing too much. Anyway, y'all put me a new grill up in there, but lately, I ain't even lie. My car been going through it, man. It's just looking terrible. Just look at this, bro. Just look at the paint. It just messed up. Alright. We ain't even talk about that. Anyway, it's worse things going on in the inside, bro. Just look at my door. My door, cuz. Don't get me started on it right here, bro. Man, y'all. But, I mean, it's a BMW, right? Right. Oh, Jesus, though. Okay. At least it got me a servo, though, cuz. Y'all, just looking for dough, y'all. Now, I ain't gonna lie, my dad took this thing off. He, replacing some, I think, but, man, it's cool, though, the way it look back here. I ain't never seen the backside of a dough. And then, Farcia, ain't that in Tuscaloosa? Airbag washers. Y'all, that's an airbag right there. Man, you getting to wreck that thing, boom! Hit you right inside. Hit you right inside, man. But, yeah, I just decided not to even worry about putting them in there, y'all. But I got some more mods that I'm finna put on this car. A lot of more mods, like, I ain't gonna lie. My car might look bad right now, but just give it about 4 months. I promise you this thing will be looking brand spanking new. From the rims to the paint to the all this stuff. Promise you, man. I got a lot of stuff coming, y'all. I'm gonna keep y'all up on this content though, cause I can't fold on the content, man. I cannot fold on the content. Y'all already know I'm dropping bangers back to back to back. I'm not gonna fold on y'all, man. I'm not. But if y'all want some more videos on my car and all the mods that I did a lot of stuff to this car. I might not look like it, but I really have a lot of good mods too. I'm gonna show y'all. So I know a lot of folks want to watch videos on some cars. Might not be my car. Know what I'm saying? If y'all want some more car videos, I can get y'all videos on the Beast. If y'all want videos on the Beast, I can get you videos on the Beast. It just depends on what you want videos on. But for right now, we get videos on my car. You know what I'm saying? My car. My car. Anyway, y'all, let's lock them doors up. Lock them doors up. Beep. 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 Anyway, y'all, I'm finna go in the house, y'all. It's too cold out here to be out here in some Alabama weather. One day it's hot, next day it's cold. But I'm telling you, this stuff getting old. Let go now, man. Anyway, y'all, that's it for this man day, y'all. I'm out.